In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Shopify store with Google Shopping Feed. By the end, you'll have your products ready to sync to Google so shoppers can discover them directly in search and on the shopping tab. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on your store's home. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to manage apps and sales channels. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're in the correct one before moving on. Give the dashboard a moment to load so all menus populate correctly. From the left-hand sidebar, click Apps. This is where Shopify keeps all installed apps and where you'll add new ones. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the apps option. A quick tip: if you don't see what you need at a glance, there's a search field at the top of this page you can use to find it faster. Now, select the Google Shopping Feed app. If it's already installed, it will appear in your list and you can open it directly. If you're browsing options, choose the Google Shopping Feed solution you trust and that fits your needs. Check its reviews and features, and proceed from there. You're simply opening the app that will power your product feed connection to Google. Go ahead and install it and complete the setup. Approve the requested permissions so the app can read your products and publish a compliant feed. During setup, connect your Google account and your Google Merchant Center so the feed has a destination. Set your target country and language and review shipping and tax settings so they match what's published on your store. Map key product attributes like title, description, brand, GTIN or MPN, color, size, and condition. Make sure your prices, availability, and images are accurate and meet Google's policies. Choose which products or collections you want to include and turn on automatic syncing so updates in Shopify flow to Google without extra work. When you're done, submit the feed to Merchant Center and allow time for review. Check diagnostics for any disapprovals and fix issues directly in your product data or within the app's mapping rules. That's it, really easy and simple. From here, keep an eye on your feed health and product status in Merchant Center. And if you run ads, monitor performance in your campaigns. Keep your product information in Shopify up to date with clear titles, high-quality images, and consistent shipping and returns details to maintain compliance and maximize visibility. With the Google Shopping Feed connected, your catalog will stay synchronized, helping you reach shoppers at the exact moment they're searching for what you sell.